Badde nakatuuka mbadde sinaba kwetegereza naye be nakalabako ndaba nga bakulukulu mu myaka si bye ebyaluyi nti abaana bajjanga bato naye abakazi abakulu bettanidde nnyo blankets and wine. Simanyi oba bonna abasinga basingle mothers sikite manyi basingle mothers yewanako akancakala ekijja kyonna ekinsubwa simanyi kuba ndaba bakulumu basinga obalaba bali mu baana bano omuntu mutunuulira mu kifuba nkubira muwala owaayi nze nabaleese nkubira sisita wange naye aba muwala nze mukulu we bannanze ebintu by'abakazi byannema nina mukazi wange ewaka atala okujja oluusi bwajja atuula wamu oluusi atuula wamu tayaba byatambula nyemba ntambulamu naawe okusitrekingamu okulaba ku baana engeri gye bambadde design empya kunoonya ku byokunywa kunoonya new friends ogamba myaka mugenda wonna oba basajja oba bakazi naye ebiseera ebisinga abakazi banfuna nnyo nga bagala ziselfi baagala bityo kitegeera emikwano wegitandikiraawo yokyova anyambadde white luli twalire tusobola white nga natusobozesa omuganda kyagamba nti ntonye mooli ntonye mooli
tuli mu mmeka
wano ndi mu bwe mbigatagata nyinza otiisa abantu omanye abantu baagala bintu bya beesomerako ekyo kankibuuke naye nga gwe kyomanya siri mulayisi ndi mu bbeyimu
omuguwa gwa mmeka
gino emiguwa nagigula mu Amerika nga bamanyi nti ekintu ekivudde mu Amerika tekibanga ate kye Dubai nakirinyira gino nagirinyira nnyonyi baana basobola okuntugira wano kati lwakuba ntambula ne bakanyama zino sente nina miliyoni nga 5 wano ekitono miliyoni nga 5 byebimu ndowooza olabye empeta byonna bitambulira wamu otegeera essaawa si ya bulijjo toyinza gitegeera ne bwe njikuwa gibala tosobola wegamba byonna ndi wanjawulo omanyi blankets and wine tuba tujja kwesudiya otegeera ndowooza olaba mikwano gyange
ebyokunywa ne tukulaba
ebyokunywa ngenda kunywa kubanza okimanyi mbeera ku coconut yuki Uganda waragi ngenda tandika kati nsumuludde
ebyana byo biri bitya sofano byana wozi
badde nakatuuka mbadde sinaba kwetegereza naye be nakalabako ndaba nga bakulukulu mu myaka si bye ebyaluyi nti abaana bajjanga bato naye abakazi abakulu bettanidde nnyo blankets and wine. Simanyi oba bonna abasinga basingle mothers sikite manyi basingle mothers yewanako akancakala ekijja kyonna ekinsubwa simanyi kuba ndaba bakulumu basinga obalaba bali mu baana bano omuntu mutunuulira mu kifuba ne maana face emitaafu n'enzija gy'abazzeemu kitegeera n'omanya si kibi kuba naye aba teyayagala naye kyeŋŋamba nti ne bali abatoototo oba tebalina ssente
nenga muno tetumulaba tomuleeta
waali nereza mulaba mu bantu bangi ye naawe omanyi sayizi ye naye nga waali.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
How do you find the place today?
The place is amazing. I love the music and the vibe.
Well, let's talk about fashion. Tonight, you're out. Like when they say people are out, you're out.
Thank you for the compliment. With my fashion, this is from Millennium Vibes, my shoes and the outfits. Yeah, and they have good clothes. I would recommend anyone to go there and get some cool clothes.
So let's talk about what you're putting on. What made you blend like this? What made you put on like this?
I wanted to bring out African culture and because there is the natural hair, there is the black, there is the red, like brotherhood and stuff, you know. I just wanted to fit in because blankets and wine, it's all about being comfortable and just smart in your own way.
Let's talk about the money. How much are we putting on here? Let's start with that shoe.
Okay, with the shoe, it was 200. I think you know Millennium Vibes, though it's for the girls, they know. Then the dress, it was 100. Then the jacket, 50. So So this is 200 with the dress and the shoes. Then the shoes is 400. Yeah.
And then the
Accessories, I think let's say 600 altogether. Then the styling, the glasses, whatever. Yeah.
so all around here, in how much dollars are we talking about?
Not really dollars. I'm just a comfortable girl in around 600.
Many have reasons why they come to Blankets and Wines. What's your main reason? Is it kwetega? Is it showing off what you put in?
Me, my main theme is to get to maybe I love this music, this cool music, then to interact with people, learn different things because we get to meet a lot of people here. Yeah, so it's good.
I love the fashion around.
Yeah, the fashion is good. People are easy, people are in their chills, like in their vibes, and that's all about Blankets and Wine. Feeling at home and feeling comfortable. Yeah.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Rota. It's you guys who are running the money.
Yeah, I'm a Rotarian from Rotary Club of Kampala Chibuli. We first went for the run.
That's cancer.
That is Cancer Run.
Yeah.
And the aim of that run is to enable us come up with a facility at the Zambia Hospital to extend support to cancer patients.
Okay, then after you said, let me come to Blankets and Wine.
Yeah, it's good to chill, work and play. Whenever you find time for yourself, no one can love you more than you.
Okay, how are you finding the fashion around?
It's always good. People smart. People enjoying their life. So
The Biana. Let's talk about the Biana.
Ebyana tebigwayo. You always see them. What you need to do, gwe jangu bibyanyumirwa, woba ofunye weekebeze, make sure that HIV is really is there, test them or use condom. That is what I can tell to the youth. Otherwise, akawuka kaluma baba.
Which edition? Is it your first edition to attend?
No, I've actually attended most of that. This is actually for the past 3 years. Yes, I've been
You
attending.
always have three every year.
Yes,
So if you say 3 times 3.
why not? That's life.
So today, what special thing have you seen today apart from the previous?
Of course, a lot of people are doing business. The young, you can see the young girls are serving drinks. They're having a platform for them to earn money from it. Also, if corporate companies are exhibiting what they do, something that is good for the business. So the government needs to support such initiatives so that we can empower all sectors of the economy. This is one of the important sectors that promotes tourism. People travel from across the world to come and enjoy such festivals, such events, and it's a good platform. So why not? It's a good experience.
So far, have you seen any channel you be like that one?
God knows, because I don't want to lie.
Hi.
You welcome to Blankets.
Thank you.
Which time is this your first time?
No, it's my second time.
Is it the first time?
It's my first time. Yeah.
Okay, let's first go with you. What's the experience?
I haven't seen something new yet, but the thing is nice.
Let's talk about fashion.
Things are good. Guys are smart. Girls know how to style. Like, girls are styled up. Yeah.
It's your second time. So today, how is the experience so far?
I've just arrived and the vibe is cool. I'm hoping to see new things this time.
Let's talk about the attire you're putting on. Let's start from the shoes. What's this you're putting on?
I don't know, is it cowgirl style? I can say yeah.
How much are we talking about here? Let's start with the shoe.
You know, I'm in fashion and design. I own a boutique, so I cannot really tell you how much because I do wholesale. But what I can say is it's expensive.
It's expensive.
Yeah.
Like roughly, how much are we talking?
Can you talk about 500? No, 1,000 Ugandan shillings. Because I am in business. So that's what I can say. But if I'm selling it to someone, it can even be worth more than that. Yeah.
So, Motokubako.
Of course, this is business. No one at Funako.
So let's talk about what you're putting on.
I'm just like, let me call it a freestyle. Yeah, I'm just free. Yeah, feeling myself. Yeah.
Okay. Everyone has a reason why attends Blankets and Wines. Are you here for kwetega, having fun, meeting friends?
Having fun, and I wanted to explain how it is. Cause like seriously, I've never attended it, and I wanted to enjoy the place and see how it is.
What rumors do you hear about men who come to Blankets and Wines?
I've not heard anything about them yet. Yeah, like I know nothing about the brackets and wines.
But if anyone is ready, you go.
No, I'm not searching. Yeah, I'm not searching.
You're married?
Yeah.
Where's the happy? How do you come to brackets and wines with the hot men? No. How do you come to brackets one where there's hot men?
I came to have fun with my friend. Yeah. Yeah.
Searching.
No, we aren't searching. Yeah.